Need to drink more water? Let's get to it. So today I'm going to show you a hack that I use. Now, it's not the quickest hack, but it's a good one. So I start off with my Kuvings juicer. Now, I love this juicer, guys. I've had it for several years. It's very dependable. It's very easy to use. And most importantly, it's easy to clean. That's one of the main reasons I chose this particular juicer. But to prepare my juice, I get my key limes. I wash them thoroughly. And I can put them in the juicer whole. I don't have to cut them. I don't have to do anything extra. I just throw them in there and I get this good juice. And then off to the left, guys, look at that pulp. It's like bone dry. That's another reason I chose this particular juicer. So the next step in the process is that we go ahead and we fill the silicone ice tray with my key lime juice. Now, I use key lime juice. You can use anything you want, another fruit, some herbs, anything. Whatever you want to incorporate into this, you can use. So keep that in mind. But I choose lime juice because, number one, I love the taste. It has vitamin C. It's detoxifying. It gives me energy and it improves my digestion. You know, all the things I need at this stage in my life. And so, yeah, if you use Crystal Light or some of those other water enhancements, they're going to be packed with sugar, artificial flavors, preservatives, and we don't want that. So we're going to go ahead and throw this in the freezer. And when it's done, we're going to have these handy key lime ice cubes. Great, right? Easy to use. So I just go ahead every day. I go ahead and put some ice cubes into my canisters and get a good insulated cup because that way it'll last most of the day. And I just fill my cups up and all day I've got some nice, good for me water. And I'm getting more water in my diet, which is definitely what we all need. So guys, if you like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll get some more hacks to you. Thanks for joining me and thanks for your support.